So we are Boccadoro, and we are Anna and Yarince, and we are musicians, dancers, and teachers of folk dances.
In our workshops, we explore a way of dancing where both partners share the guidance and listen to each other and start creating the movement together.
This is an invitation to rediscover dance as mutual listening. Everything begins without contact, but with what we call visual listening. And we use simple imitation exercises to train our attention and responsiveness.
Isn't just to copy, but to feel the other's movement. From here we introduce creative variations. How can I respond to a gesture by expanding it or making it smaller?
And when we are ready, we move from sight to touch. And we explore two fundamental polarities of connection, the pressure and the tension.
Through we experiment with connection through pressure. The goal is to maintain a constant, gentle push to stay connected, translating every small impulse into a shared movement.
With the strings, we explore the opposite polarity, the connection through tension. Here, we learn to lead and follow through pulling, maintaining a light but constant traction that communicates direction and intention. The embrace is the space for our most intimate dialogue. We begin simply breathing together, feeling the weight, the timing, the balance.
We work on the mechanics of the connection. How to lead from the center of the body, not just with the arms. How can I leave an empty space for my partner to say something? And when can I take the initiative to propose a variation?
But the principle always stays the same. The connection comes from the center. The arms are just a frame. Once the connection is established, we can begin to play with the music and with different movement qualities.
We also explore how to step out of our comfort zones. We practice recording another dancer's style, for example, and reinterpreting it in our own dance. Not as a caricature, but as a way to enrich our own movement vocabulary. To truly co-lead, we first need to know our own movement preferences, to find our own voice in the dance.
Our own tendencies, we can choose to follow, complement, or even playfully contrast our partner's energy. Co-leading is an invitation to rediscover dance
As play, trust, and shared creativity.